One person dies every 4.5 seconds from tobacco-related diseases. You will have lung disease, stroke, heart disease, and even blood vessel disease. And today in this video we will talk about the effects of cigarette smoking. There are over 7,000 chemicals found in a single stick of cigarette. 250 of those are harmful, while 70 are known to be carcinogenic. Therefore, when you smoke cigarette, then you are basically inhaling the fumes of death. But wait, there's more. There are 5 highly dangerous chemicals in tobacco smoke, and these are following. First is the tar. It is the word for solid particles suspended in tobacco. Tar is sticky and brown, and stains teeth, fingernails and lung tissue. Second is carbon monoxide. It is a poisonous gas. It is odorless and colorless, and in large doses, quickly causes death. Because it takes the place of oxygen in the blood, and it does not function as a fuel. Third are oxidizing chemicals. These are highly reactive chemicals that can damage the heart muscles and blood vessels. Their action leads to a variety of diseases. Fourth are metals. Tobacco smoke contains metals that are carcinogenic. Then fifth are radioactive compounds, and these are also known to be carcinogenic. But why does people who smoke continue to smoke, despite the desires to stop? Well, it is the nicotine in cigarettes that makes it more addictive. Within 7 seconds of cigarette smoking, nicotine reaches blood, travels from the lungs to the brain. In the brain, nicotine attaches to nicotinic acetylcholine receptors. Once these receptors are activated, they release a flurry of brain messengers such as dopamine, adrenaline and serotonin. This leads to the activation of the brain reward and alertness system. That is why some people report feeling more focused and attentive after smoking cigarette. It can also increase feeling of relaxation due to increased serotonin in the brain. But nicotine does not last longer in the body. It is expelled out through the urine. And when nicotine exits the body misses the feeling of having these stimulating brain messengers flowing around. That is why you should never smoke cigarette. Because there's only one thing that should be going into your lungs, and that's air. But how does cigarette contribute to heart disease? Well, nicotine causes your blood vessels to contract and become narrow. As you continue smoking cigarettes, the constant constriction causes the blood vessels to become stiff. Smoking also changes the surface of platelets, making it easier for them to clump together. So, with a stiff and narrowed blood vessels, especially in the smallest blood vessels in the heart, making it a vulnerable site for plaque formation, decreasing blood flow to the areas. This is called ischemia, and it causes pain that radiates to the shoulders and jaw. If not treated well, the blood vessel may eventually rupture, triggering clot formation, thus leading the partial obstruction to complete obstruction. This is then called myocardial infarction, or basically an irreversible heart tissue death.